Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Tech Critique, your one stop for tech reviews, unboxing and videos. Today we'll be doing my first unboxing video. We'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite was released on July 18, 2020 in India, and it's slightly at an affordable price rate of 35,999, which you can avail at a discount in the ongoing sales of Flipkart and Amazon. So I bought the tablet for 28,000 change. It was a good deal for me. It was released with two variants, which was the Wi-Fi variant and the LTE variant. The one which I have here is the LTE variant. So let's just slide into the video of unboxing. Here is the box. So now I'll be cutting the tags. The seals are broken. But before opening, I would like to show you the net contents, which is the net quantity of 1 unit tablet, 1 unit travel adapter, 1 unit data cable, 1 unit ejection pin, 1 unit S Pen and 1 unit user manual. Those are the contents of the box. You can see the box, it's pretty good. A shine label of Samsung S6 Lite. Here you've got the trademark label and here is some stickers. Now we'll open the box. And the first thing we have here is the device itself. We'll talk about the device later. Some paperwork of warranty card and quick start guide. This is the data cable or the type A to type C converter. The Samsung travel adapter. The S Pen. The point of talk is here, the S Pen, which is a great inclusion for the tablet. Now here we have the tablet in the nice neat soft packaging. And here is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Now this tab, as I told, comes with a 10.4 inch display, and you can see that the screen is quite big. It looks good. We'll switch it on. So here we have started the tablet and I've set the tablet up. Right after setting up the tablet, you'll get a few amount of updates, which will be somewhere between 100 to 200 MB. And as you can see, the screen is vibrant but not as such because this tablet is missing the AMOLED display, which is given to other tablets and phones. This guy here has a TFT display. And the Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite comes with a 2000 x 2200 resolution. And I'll show you the sides over here. This side is clean, the left side has nothing. The bottom of course has the USB-C type charger and one of the pair of AKG speakers present in the tablet. The right side here has the power on off button and the volume up and volume down button, and here is the slot for the micro SD card and the nano SIM for a tray if you wish to choose the LTE variant. Now we'll switch on the tablet. One of the drawbacks with the tablet is that the S6, its a superior version, comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, whereas this guy, the S6 Lite, has the Samsung's own Exynos 9611 processor, which is quite a compromise for the price. But as you can see, the processor is quite smooth and you can run quite a few games and stuff. It's really great. Other than that, they say that the tablet has to be lightweight because they say it's the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, but in hand I feel it's a bit heavy, and if we go by the numbers, it's 467 grams in weight. And as you can see on the upper side, you're having what most users feel is a boon for those who have not upgraded to the Bluetooth headphones and earphones. A 3.5mm earphone jack. Yes guys, this has an earphone jack. Samsung has decided to keep it. And here is the other pair of the AKG speakers. These AKG speakers are in a bilateral position and they are not quad speakers, but they will provide you with a great quality of sound and they will give you a 3D surround sound feeling. Next we'll go with the S Pen. The point of talk here is our S Pen, which is here. This S Pen sticks magnetically to the right side of the tablet and it's quite strong compared to the Apple tablet Apple Pen. It's very strong. As you can see, if I give it a slight nudge, it will come back to its position, which is good thing. It will not fall off easily, but it is not magnetic to other sides as such, only the right side. But if you put it in this position right below the volume down button, it is great. Now it doesn't stick over here. The S Pen is quite good. Now we'll test it with writing. It has a power button here, which you can decide what the button should do if you go into the settings. Now if you press the button and tap the S Pen, this will open the screen of memo. You can write quite a few things. Here's the Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite. As you can see, this beauty here comes with palm rejection. That means wherever you keep your palm, that will not be taken as a writing. Only if you write with the S Pen, then it will write. This is quite good. If you ask me, while writing, it's quite smooth and it's a great experience. It's just like how you write on paper. And the S Pen also is detected from a few centimeters away. As you can see, there's a pointer over there where the S Pen is. So this is the range of detection for the S Pen, and you can switch the pointer off in the settings. That's up to you. So this is quite good, this S Pen. And with the S Pen, Samsung has given us a drawing in app, which I'll show you in a few minutes. So here, as you can see, there's a symbol which shows that it has detected the S Pen, and it has a few features for the S Pen. I'll just tap on it there, and as you can see, we have the option to create a note, view all notes, smart select, screen write, live messages, AR doodle, translate, pen up. Pen up is the app I was talking about, where you can do all your drawings and stuff. You can make sketches, you can work on other sketches. And here we'll be going with, you can like go with others drawings, and you can like work on them, edit them. Otherwise you can do your own. And here is the page. You can see they have given the options of quite a few brushes, pencils, pens, markers, and calligraphy pens. And you're having color options. You can choose whatever colors you want, the color in the color tray. Next is that you can choose a photo from the gallery here, and you can work on it. Now one of the other things is this tab. You can see the bezels are moderate. That means you have a good amount of space to write on, to tap on. The bezels are of a moderate size. Now the display, as I told, was a 10.4 inch, and one of the other drawbacks of this tablet is the cameras it is having. So here, as you can see, the front camera, it is a 5 megapixel camera, and the back camera is a 8 megapixel camera. So photophilic people will not enjoy this a lot for taking photos, but I feel that who takes photos nowadays with tablets? You got your phones and cameras for that. So for people like me, for people who want to use it on a daily basis, it's quite good. The last thing I want to talk about is the face recognition feature which the Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite gives you. I will show you. And yeah, I would not say it's lightning quick or as such, but I would say it's a good enough speed. It recognizes your face easily, and that was a good unlock. And it gives you an option, and it asks you before scanning your face that if you wear glasses or if you don't wear glasses. So that's one of the good security improvements. And with the face unlock, of course, you have to put other biometrics as well, such as you can either use a swipe, a pattern, or a pin, etc., which comes with regular devices. And that's pretty much it, guys. This was the Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite unboxing with a few features I've talked about. In the next video, we'll be seeing the Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite review, which I'll give an honest review after about a month. So that's it from me, guys. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked my video, please give it a like, and if you would like to share the information, share my video, and then you can subscribe to my channel to support me, and if you want other videos. So thank you, and that's it.